In this video, we're going to cover one of Blackboard Learn's most useful types of content, the item. The item lets you display content directly on the page you're looking at. The students won't need to click or wait for a page to load to see what you're about to post. So let's roll over Build Content and select Item to begin. First, we need to give it a title. And if we want, we can select a color for the title on the main page. Next, we'll want to add some content, which I'm going to copy paste from another source, but you could also just type right in here. And then you can use the What You See is What You Get editor to add formatting to your content. For example, I can create some spaces, or even a line to break up content. I can add bolding and change the color of my font if I want. You can add images or movies using the WYSIWYG editor, or you can even scroll down here and use a very simple way to attach a file. So if I browse my computer, I can attach any file I want. So if you had provided a syllabus here, you could give some information about the syllabus, tell them to download it, save it to their computer in a special folder, and then you could attach the syllabus file right here. If you want to, you can give a display after or display until date, which means that the item won't show up until a certain time or it will disappear automatically at a certain time. But I want this available for the whole course, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Submit. And with most things in Blackboard Learn, the items are easy to move around. You can switch them up and down if you want to. And because of Blackboard Learn's predominantly vertical layout, the items are very useful for organizing content. For example, you can provide headers. If I go over into the quizzes area and switch edit mode off, you'll see that I've separated these quizzes with items that act as headers, telling the students what those quizzes are about. Items are also useful for creating a syllabus or course information page, where you can break content up into smaller pieces based on each individual item, and you can move them around at will. So if I decided that the instructor should go at top, I could do so, moving course description back up to top, or instructor underneath it. There you go. And now you know how to create and utilize an item in Blackboard Learn.